everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we're going to be discussing what to do when you encounter an ambulance on the roads here in the UK, because it's essential to know how to respond in order to ensure the safety of everybody involved. So let's dive right in, but please watch this all the way through to the end so you don't miss out on any important information. Now we're going to be talking about drivers, cyclists and pedestrians. And the first thing we need to do is to be able to identify an approaching ambulance, because here in the UK, like in other countries around the world, our emergency service vehicles are equipped with blue flashing lights and sirens. So we will know there is an emergency vehicle approaching. So when you see or hear those, you need to prepare to take action. It's really important that we do not panic. I know volunteering with London Ambulance Service, I have seen people panic and people pulling through red lights, jumping red lights, people just slamming on their brakes when it's not safe for them to do so. I've seen people running across the road in front of an ambulance. Please stay calm and do not panic. The first thing that a driver on the road will need to do is be able to pull over safely. So when they hear an ambulance or see an ambulance approaching, it is crucial to be able to give them priority on the road. Now it's important as well to choose the right spot to allow them to pass. So when pulling over, you need to make sure that you find a spot that is safe, where the ambulance can easily pass by, not squeeze through, easily pass by. Maybe look for designated pullover areas or wide spaces where you won't obstruct other drivers, cyclists or pedestrians. Avoid blocking intersections or bus stops. Avoid parking next or pulling over next to those blockades on the road. Avoid pulling over into a bus lane, because actually the ambulance might find it easier to bypass you by going down that bus lane. So find a space that is going to cause less hindrance to the ambulance. When you found that space, it's really important to be able to alert other drivers and of course the ambulance crew or the emergency services what your intentions are. So put on your hazard lights while pulling over. This will make it clear that you actually take an appropriate action to let the ambulance pass. Then it's important to be able to wait patiently. You actually stop. So once you've pulled over and you've indicated your intentions, it is important to remain stationary. Don't start crawling along slowly. Actually stop until the ambulance has fully passed. And sometimes more than one emergency vehicle might be travelling together. So actually waiting patiently will ensure you don't inadvertently obstruct them or anyone else. And then of course you need to resume your journey. So after the ambulance has passed safely and the road clears, you can then safely merge back into the traffic, remembering of course to check for any oncoming vehicles, cyclists and pedestrians before doing so. So there you have it, folks. Those are the essential steps to follow when you encounter an ambulance or an emergency service vehicle here on the roads in the UK. It's our responsibilities as drivers, as citizens, to be able to give way and to provide them with a clear path. Because by doing so, we can actually help save lives. So thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to our channel for more useful content. Stay safe on the UK roads.